Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another episode of The Fuel Within. I'm Shanto, and today we're exploring a powerful idea. Not just studying harder, but studying smarter. Now, we all know the old saying, work hard and you'll succeed. Yes, hard work is important. But if hard work was the only key, then everyone who studies for long hours would be fluent by now. The truth is, many learners spend endless hours, yet they feel stuck. So the question is, how can you make your learning time truly count? Let's dive into 7 fresh strategies that will help you learn faster, remember longer, and enjoy the process. Think about your day. Do you feel more alert in the morning or maybe at night? Each of us has a natural energy window when our brain is sharp and focused. Instead of studying when you are tired or distracted, schedule your most important study during that high energy time. 30 minutes of sharp focus beats 2 hours of half sleepy reading. Have you ever tried to read for hours and realize later you remember almost nothing? That's because the brain loves short cycles. Here's a smarter approach. Study in 10-minute blocks. 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes writing or making notes, 10 minutes speaking or explaining. This simple cycle keeps your brain active and prevents boredom. It's like rotating exercises at the gym. Your brain muscles grow stronger because they're used in different ways. Most learners open a book and start memorizing, but smart learning begins with questions. Before reading a text, ask yourself, what do I want to learn here? What am I curious about? When your brain is curious, it searches for answers. That search makes the memory stronger. So next time, don't just read passively. Ask first, learn second. One of the fastest ways to check your understanding is to teach. But wait, don't worry, you don't need a classroom. Just imagine your best friend or your younger brother sitting in front of you. Try to explain the idea in simple English as if they know nothing. When you can explain clearly, you know it well. If you get stuck, that's a sign to review. Teaching is not the final step of learning. It's part of the process. Many people believe progress comes from one long study session every week, but smarter learners know consistency beats intensity. Instead of 3 hours once a week, try 10 minutes every day. It's like watering a plant. If you pour a whole bucket of water once a month, the plant dies. But a little water every day makes it grow strong. Your brain works the same way. Sometimes it's not your ability that's the problem. It's your environment. If your phone is buzzing, if the TV is on, if family members are talking, your brain keeps switching focus. That's not smart learning. Here's the hack. Design your study space. Put your phone away, clear the desk. Even changing one small thing, like playing soft background music, can tell your brain, now is to study. Many learners feel discouraged because they measure success only in big steps. When I speak fluently, I will celebrate. But that is months, maybe years away. Instead, reward yourself for small victories. Finished a 15-minute session? Great. Learned 5 new words? Fantastic. Recorded your voice for practice? That's progress. When you celebrate small wins, your brain releases motivation, and that motivation keeps you moving forward. So my friends, remember this. Studying smarter doesn't mean working less. It means working in ways that your brain loves. Use your energy window. Follow the 10-10-10 cycle. Ask questions before answers. Teach to test yourself. Take daily microdoses. Shape your environment and celebrate small wins. These small, smart strategies add up. They make your journey lighter, faster, and more joyful. So don't just push harder, learn smarter, and see how far you can go. Thank you for listening to The Fuel Within. I'm Shanto, and I'll be back with more ideas to power your growth. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.